Hello, Maria.
Hello, Alex.
How are you today?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I am very good. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry today.
Me too. Let's go to a restaurant.
That is a great idea.
This restaurant looks nice.
Yes, it is clean and quiet.
Let's sit here.
Okay,
Here is the menu.
thank you. Let's see.
What do you want to eat?
I don't know. There are many options.
Yes, the food looks good.
I like chicken.
Me too. I also like rice.
Oh, I see chicken with rice on the menu.
That sounds good.
What do you want to drink?
I want water.
I want orange juice.
Excuse me.
The waiter is coming.
Hello.
Hello?
Can I have chicken with rice, please?
And I would like chicken with salad, please.
And one water, please.
And one orange juice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The restaurant is nice.
Yes, I like the atmosphere.
Do you eat at restaurants often?
Not very often, maybe one time a week.
Same for me.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, sometimes. Simple food.
Me too.
The food is coming.
Yes, it looks delicious.
Here is your food.
Thank you.
This smells very good.
Yes, I am excited to eat.
Let's eat.
Yes.
The chicken is very good.
Yes, it is very tasty.
Do you like your food?
Yes, I like it a lot.
The rice is soft.
The salad is fresh.
This is a good restaurant.
Yes, I will come again.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes, but not every day.
Same. This food is healthier.
Are you full?
Not yet. I am still eating.
Me too.
Do you want dessert?
Yes, I like dessert.
What do you want?
I want ice cream.
I want cake.
Excuse me,
Yes,
can we have ice cream and cake, please?
thank you.
The dessert is here.
It looks very good.
The ice cream is cold and sweet.
The cake is soft and delicious.
I like this place.
Me too.
Now I am full.
Me too.
Let's ask for the bill.
Yes,
Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?
thank you.
The bill is okay.
Yes, the price is good.
I will pay today.
Thank you, Maria.
You can pay next time.
Deal.
Let's go.
That was a nice meal.
Yes, I enjoyed it.
We should come again.
Yes, next week.
Goodbye, Maria.
Goodbye, Alex.
Improve your English. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Talk English. My advice for you is simple. Speak English every day, even a little bit. Don't stop. Don't be afraid. Just practice and have fun. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.